Never apologize for being sensitive or emotional. Showing your emotion is a sign of strength. A strong woman is someone who is able to smile this morning like she was not crying last night. The woman who doesn't require validation from anyone is the most feared individual on the planet. Dear stress, let us break up. Smile and let everyone know that today you are a lot stronger than you were yesterday. If you can dance and be free and be embraced, you can rule the world. If I ever let my head down, it will be just admire my shoes. You are all allowed to scream, you are allowed to cry, but never give up. You attract what you are, not what you want. If you want great, then be great. I do not want you to save me. I want you to stand by my side as I save myself. I am not what happened to me. I am what I choose to become. Be a girl with a mind, a woman with attitude, and a lady with class. She builds people up because she knows what it is like to be torn down. Being deeply loved gives you strength. Loving deeply gives you courage. Little girls with dreams become women with vision. Stay strong, make them wonder how you are still smiling. Strong women wear their pain like stilettos, no matter how much it hurts. All you see is the beauty of it.